Welcome, Walnut Grove parents. We are so glad that you are here.
My name is Ann Miniam, and this is Laura Rose, and we are your co-presidents for the PTO for this school year. We are grateful to have you as part of our Grizzly family, and we look forward to serving with you to make this an exceptional year at Walnut Grove. Together, we will work hard to support Walnut Grove students, parents, faculty, and administration. Our goal as the PTO is to strengthen our school community by bringing families together to help our children learn and grow. To truly be a successful parent organization, we need participation from every parent. So join with us and become a member of the PTO. You can join by simply going to gogrizzlies.org and sign up.
The PTO goal is to help all families stay in the know. Take a look as we introduce our board members. Become a member and your family will receive access to the online directory and a printed copy to have at home. Please consider donating to our Blue Ribbon School. For the 2021-22 school year, the suggested donation amount is $150 per child, although any amount is appreciated. No amount is too big or too small. As a thank you for your generous donation, we will send your students home with a Walnut Grove cinch bag. Be sure to follow us on Instagram at WGES PTO and Facebook at Walnut Grove Elementary PTO. Be sure to check out the Grizzly Blast every Sunday.
Put your skills and hobbies to good use for a good cause. Look at the Grizzly Blast and go to gogrizzlies.org and find the fit for you. Become a community partner and we will advertise your business in the Walnut Grove community. You can help our wonderful school and advertise your business at the same time. Register now with our grocery store partners, Kroger, Publix, and scan those box tops receipts. In exciting news, Grizzly Fest is returning. So buy your tickets, sign up to volunteer, and get those 2-liter bottle donations ready.
Once again, we are grateful to have you as part of our Walnut Grove family. By staying connected and supporting Walnut Grove through financial and volunteer contributions, you will be an invaluable resource to our school and teachers. We look forward to working together to make this the best year for our students. Remember to go to www.gogrizzlies.org and sign up.
Thank you, and go Grizzlies!